got a little sunburn, so I'm gonna show you how to do an aloe vera cream. Let's go. Fresh aloe vera plant. And then you cut the beginning because we don't want to put that on our skin. And then we're gonna cut like fillets. Stuff on my hand, but I'm gonna use it already because otherwise it's gonna be waste. And this right here, mix it till it's soft. That's how it looks. Ta-da! And then you just put it on your burnt skin, and it's gonna moisturize the skin. So this is it.
We are lying in bed today, relaxing, doing some social media. Not that we are super busy on social media, but I just uploaded the video from yesterday with the guy with his little stabbing thing. Our Facebook group, Real Divers Don't Eat Fish. Check this out if you want. We finally made it out of the bed and we're going to the restaurant. We wanted to go like on the first day in Ajaccio, I think. They were closed that day, so we tried today once more. On the way, I'm learning some French with Duolingo. It's a very good app. You have to speak and you have to write. I'm learning French right now from English. This is a speaking exercise. C'est un chien. Excellent. Here's the translation. It's a dog. C'est un chien.
Tu. C'est un cheval.
So yeah, it's really cool. You can also do stories, like they read a story, like in a book. You tap the right words, they ask you questions if you understood everything. And yeah, it's really fun and very easy to learn a new language.
And you learned Portuguese very well. You're on masterclass.
Yeah, I just started to learn some French, but I usually do only Portuguese. And I also did a look into Chinese recently, but that's another level. Like you learn the new signs, the alphabet, pretty much. Okay, that's for now. Bon appetit. Oh la la, très bon. And now we're going to a waterfall I found on Google Maps. We are excited how big it is.
And we brought the bathing suits.
We just met some people. They said it's just a 10-minute walk. And we're gonna be alone, they said. I got my drone with me. Let's see what this place has to offer. We are alone here. You want to go in? Yes. Yes? Why not? beautiful scenery, we say goodbye to the southwest of Corsica. We're gonna head up north to Bastia tomorrow, and we're gonna meet Florence, our new host, and we are very excited. Stay tuned, stay positive. See you there.
Good night.
We tried to get a bit closer to the pigs here. They're so gentle creatures. Check this out. They are shy. They communicate. Very gentle creatures, like dogs. How could you hurt them? She's scratching herself again on our car. We can feel it. She likes our car very much. Hey, you piggy. We have a little concern of our car, and like, okay, I drive a little. Why would someone eat someone like that? We did it too for 26 years, and we could never do it again.
They're so cute. How can you kill them and eat them? They're so gorgeous. And they're smart like a 3-year-old. They're smart like a dog.
3-year-old child, yeah. Human child.
Esse é grosso, crocodilo.